We're getting close, man. I don't know. What's your prediction? Like, when do you think this thing will fly?
Oh man.
It's been hard.
Well, code-wise, electronic-wise, it's ready. We are 100% there code-wise.
So it's all on me.
It's all on you. So, no pressure.
So we just noticed a couple things tonight. We got to route these limit switches and their wires. And then we're having trouble with the actuators.
The bearing tolerance is off.
The bearing tolerance is off, and so we've got some burning out or skidding out on the gears.
Some slippage.
It's actually happening on this right here, this part. Yeah, lots of slippage. That's the right word. We had it all right at one point, and then I went back and screwed everything up.
You'll move it all the way to close position, and you can adjust each one of the doors until they're closed, and then they're in unison.
Exactly. And you can fine tune them.
Flip of the switch on the transmitter down.
Yeah.
That starts the sequence to extend the gear. So that sends a signal to the board here to start the sequence. The door's open.
Yep.
As soon as this switch is hit, it knows to move on to the next step.
The body gear.
The body gear will
Which are these
extend.
right here.
This is all in unison. The body gear will extend and the wing gear extend and the nose gears extend. And as each one of those hits its limit switch, the last one to hit will signal the doors to close again. Those go out at the same time though, but the wing is faster than the body gear.
The wing is way faster than the body gear.
So the body and the wing go together, and because they're different speeds, they don't collide.
They each have their own
They each
limit
have their own
switch,
limit switch.
so they both stop at their own pace.
Stop at their own pace.
Yeah.
It's just stuck in a loop, just waiting and waiting.
Yep.
Waiting for the sequence to finish. As soon as all four of them hit their limit switch, shut. Yep, and then you just flip the switch again, reverses. It starts the whole process all over again, but bada bing, bada bang, bada boom.
And just to mention, real quick for everybody, I was asked to explain this. These doors are all sequenced and ran by motors with Jerrick's program. These doors are automatic. So these doors get hit by the struts coming down, and then they just travel with the strut. And those are using music wire springs that are just embedded into the shell on the inside. The nose gear are basically the same thing. You've got a set of these, and then you've got the electronic version of these. We got 2 columns of locks on this one. Oh, there goes the rotation. So this rotation goes beyond 90 degrees. So that's what's so challenging about these 747 gear. You don't find retracts in the wild that go beyond 90 degrees. You won't find them. So that's why this is special. In a few days, we are going to try again. And I think we'll get real close the next time. So
I honestly think a week.
about a week.
I think a week.
About a week. So if it's 3 days in my mind, it's about a week.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah. That, yeah. So
That was fast.
that was fast.
My jumper. My jumper. Where's my jumper? Where's my jumper? Here it is. Okay. So now, to finish the sequence, you should close the doors when I do this. Yep.
It's like an old car that barely works.
Okay, we'll pretend it hit it.
Okay, we'll pretend that
Okay.
the door's closed.
Goo. And I think it's the gear slipping. You can watch it. It's not going to slip this way because there's no tension on it.
Totally. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, dude, those doors are smooth now.
Yeah. Yes, they are. Smooth butter.
Yeah, man. That's going to be A4 technically. This is going to be 0 volts, and this is going to be 3.5 volts. Okay, so this one, we follow it. That one is going into that spaghetti code here going on.
Spaghetti.
Awesome. So gear down switch equals grounded
You're grounded.
volts. And that means gear up 3.3 3 volts.
Rad.
Do you want to switch this out? It's a pain in the butt. I wonder what's causing that though. It's like,
Isn't it weird?
it's like, look, you can see the lead screw flexing.
Yeah, it's definitely not the gear teeth. Because if it was the gear teeth, you'd be seeing a bunch of material come off.
You know what? Is it bending? It looks like it's bending this a little bit.
Yeah, I think it is. Or
Is this lightweight PLA?
these ones are, yeah.
Okay, so that might be a difference. I think with regular PLA, we might not run into that problem. Because it looks like it's bent this just enough this way.
That it's missing it.
It's missing it. Okay.
So it is. It's up here.
Mm-hmm.
I'll
So
look
how
it
do we
up.
fix that on the short term? Like,
Well, as long as we don't have to bind that anymore, then that'll probably survive. But on the short term, for like
Okay.
these right here, we just need to replace these right now. It's just weird, man. It's just weird.
once you strip it out once, it's just
It's just forever gone. Just gonna let it go this time?
gonna let it go.
Okay.
Let it ride.
Letting it
There
ride.
we go. Okay, gear sequence started. Simulate doors open.
Woo!
We got it.
Yeah.
Giggity giggity goo. All right.
He's a pilot, by the way.
I know, Quagmire. Did that stop or did it just bind out?
It looks like it bound out.
Motor getting hot.
It went the wrong way.
Okay, so I need to reverse these.
Yeah, that's all it is. If we can back off of it a little bit, I think we're fine. Yeah, we're in big.
That stopped. Let's try it again.
Let's try it again.
Here we goes. I don't know which way's which.
You just tap it.
Taparoo. Just taparoo.
You got it. Yeah, we got it.
Okay.
And I think we even have life in it. It's like not perfect, but it's gonna work though.
Okay.
So
Starting. I just don't know if these switches are the right way or not. What we need to do is while it's going, you need to put your finger down on that
And
and
hit the
hit the switch to see if
Okay.
we're going the right way.
okay.
I want
Okay.
you to hit this switch
Okay.
and see if it stops it.
Okay.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. No. So these switches are backwards.
Trying to get it to work before the gears bind out. That's so funny.
Once it's dialed in, we're not going to have to worry about it. I'm a stupid.
Don't be a stupid. There you go. Yeah. It's got life in it.
Okay,
still.